How to add friends on Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Monopoly Go application. Okay, here we go. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see the option of Friends. Just tap on it. Now over here at the bottom, you can see various options like Contacts, Facebook or Invite. Now you can tap on any of these icons and add your friends accordingly who are using the same method to play Monopoly Go. Now for instance, if you tap on Contacts and then tap on Add Contacts, you will have to enter your phone number and then you will have your friends added on Monopoly Go who are using or playing Monopoly Go by using their phone number. Now again, if you tap on Facebook, okay, here we go. Now over here, you have to enter your mobile number, email and enter your password and connect your Monopoly Go account to Facebook, and then your Facebook friends will be added on Monopoly Go. Now another step what you can do is if you tap on Invite here, okay, now tap on Invite at the top. Now over here you can copy the link and send this link to your other friends who are on various social media platforms and invite them to play Monopoly Go with you. So that was all for today. I hope this video was useful. So don't forget to like and subscribe.